Hi everyone, so this is about our stay home notice in Hotel Jen. The first days of stay home notice usually go by very fast for me because I have to clear the work that I missed when I was on holiday. The hotel did provide us with a list of activities we could follow using a QR code. But as for Nico, since he can walk with his phone and he tried to walk 10,000 steps, we also tried to catch up on sleep because we were very jet lagged, as you can see. So when we were not working or sleeping, we ate. And I love using the iron board as a table. Here I'm preparing it for lunch. Just put on a towel so we don't make it dirty. I have to say that Jen Hotel food was very good and healthy. We did mention we only wanted fish when we checked in, and therefore we had salmon, sea bass, and even shrimps. They were all delicious, and more importantly, they were all healthy. There was no deep fried food, and there was a large portion of vegetables every day. Every morning, the hotel will call to check our temperature. And since they call early in the morning, I usually take Nico's temperature when he's still sleeping.
Hi, this is Andy who called you just now. Can you show me your surrounding and the hotel phone?
On our 5th day of stay, the immigration called and requested that I give my IC last 4-digit numbers and turn on the video so I can show him how my room looked like and specifically my room number.
Okay, noted. Thank you very much.
For inquiries on stay home notice matters, press 2.
When we arrived in Singapore, immigration told us that we would serve 14 days only. Then later on when we checked in the hotel, all the papers we signed showed 14 days of stay home notice. So the least we expected was to receive a call or an email from immigration about the 21 days that we need to serve.
We are still waiting for the email from the government sector.
But how come it's not clear? Because everything we signed at the
We are
immigration.
still not sure, sir, because
Yeah.
it was only mentioned 2 days ago about the extension.
Because we just got an info, the briefing, so likely it's going to be the 21 days that's applicable for all.
Up to 25th, sir.
Really? Because when we checked in, we were told only 2 weeks. And even the immigration at the counter on Tuesday night, after the news broke, we were told only 2 weeks.
Okay, from our side, what we received information that all our in-house guests are extended for 1 more week. So maybe...
We're changing hotel today. We are moving from Hotel Jen to Swiss Hotel for medical reason. And the Jen Hotel staff was very kind and they sent someone to help us with our luggage. And that was our first 5 days of quarantine in Hotel Jen.
Thank you very much for the help.
There is a cost of $45 for being transferred from one hotel to another one. Of Swiss Hotel Sanford, waiting to check in. When we entered inside the taxi, we did ask the driver if we should leave the windows open or not, and he did mention that it's their SOP, standard procedure, to leave the windows open. So all the windows are open. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!